Promises are one of the main key features of Angular, which is already available in JavaScript. The same thing is written here. We'll see about this here. Well, promises are just a call which will emits a value during its execution and ends. So that was promises. And I already written this callback functions. What are the other things? What is the difference between callback functions in Angular? Detailed in here. Okay, I'll just go through it. So I want to fetch some data from an API call or from a database or from an external application. So we can use this promise for fetching the data, and this promise will handle the situation and get the data and gives us a response to our component. That's the main idea of promises. In promises, we have a then method. It will be fetching these data and it will handle API calls. That's the main usage of this one. Here I have given an example for you. So we are creating a promise first through new promise, and an object is created with that variable promise. And we have two things inside this promise. One is resolve and another one is reject. Resolve will be the solution and reject will be the exception or error. Something will be handled as a rejection. Okay. So in promises we can set times. So these times will be handled efficiently for the particular seconds. It will wait and execute within that one and will give the result after that. Here we are giving like set timeout function. Inside that we have a result. I promise to return this after 1 second. So which where we give 1000, which means 1 second. So after 1 second it will return this promise to us, and to get the value back to the core we can use this then method. Promise.then a function of value means it will return the value. I promise to return this after 1 second to the console log. That's how it works. You can use it for the REST API calls where we have a single data handling. That will be very useful. For simple conditions it will be very useful. So in promise we have three states. One is pending, one is fulfilled, another one is rejected. Pending is when it is in initial state, or in it is in rejected state, it will be in pending. Fulfilled means it is completed, its execution means it will be in fulfilled. Rejected means any error occurs, any exception occurs, or any rejections will be, failures will be called in the rejected state. So the states. In promises we have two methods, two object methods. So one is catch and another one is finally, which are used when we need to write a complete solution. Catch is for catching the errors, failures, cases. Finally will be once it is finally done, what should be done will be written here. These are mainly for what you can say that asynchronous events interactions. Thanks team, thanks for the support. Yes, please execute these examples, then you'll get a good idea.